The following segment is sponsored by Utah Roofing Pros. It keeps us safe from the elements, but we don't always think about it until there is something wrong, unfortunately. Phil from Utah Roofing Pros is here to help us know when it's time to get a new roof. Welcome, Phil. Great to see you.
Thanks for having me.
We're happy to have you here. Okay, what is Utah Roofing Pros and what services do you offer? Let's just start there.
Well, we're a roofing company here in Utah, obviously. We do a lot of commercial and residential buildings, and we specialize in doing Owens Corning roofing systems, as well as Paragon roofing systems, which is composite tile roof. And then we also do TPO, which is a lot of that kind of membrane that you see on top of flat roofs, on top of warehouses and stuff like that.
Okay, and I'm guessing those are more updated and better than other, right?
Yeah, well, the materials nowadays, you know, they last a lot longer than
which is kind of what you
options.
want. That's what you want for your roof. Okay, and walk us through the process of what it would be like if someone is getting a new roof.
So we'd want to come out for an inspection to take a look at, you know, the little details, you know, what kind of damage you have, things like that. And you know, we live in Utah. We get a lot of weather here, so more often than not, a lot of people's roofs can get covered by the insurance, and we can kind of help them through that process.
Okay, that's good to know, because I know that the expense sometimes can be big. How do we know, Phil, if it's time to get a new roof, other than if you have water leaking through your ceiling? How are we going to know?
Yeah, so when a roof gets older, you'll see a lot of the granules from the asphalt just kind of falling off. You'll see it, you know, around the yard and stuff like that, but also missing shingles or broken off shingles that fly off into your yard, stuff like that. Okay,
if we have more than just a couple fly off, we probably should get it looked at, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now you were saying that most shingles in the past have lasted only, what, like 20 years?
Yeah, about 20 years. With the newer systems that we use, have up to 120-something mile wind ratings, as well as a 50-year lifespan.
That's a lot better. That's a lot better. Okay, you also offer free inspections, right? How does that work?
So we'll come out, hop up on the roof, take a look at the details. You know, a lot of times we can get the measurements from the satellites. But you know, we want to see how many layers you have on there, what kind of underlayment you have, make sure that you have ice and water barrier around the edges. So you
actually want to take a look at it most of the time. That's good to know. And what areas of the Salt Lake Valley do you serve?
Everything from Ogden down to Provo.
Okay.
Sometimes further if we need to.
You cover it a lot. Okay, that's awesome. And it's you know, it's just peace of mind to know that your roof is newer and working well, so you're not going to have any leaks. Where can you go for more information, Phil?
Well, you can visit us at utahroofingpros.com or give us a call at 801-688-3853.
Perfect. Thanks for all the info. Great to see you. Thanks for being here, Phil.
Thank you.